In this video, we will discuss regarding slaughter machine and planer machine. A slaughter machine is a type of reciprocating machine tool used for cutting vertical slots, grooves, keyways, and other internal features in a workpiece. It works on the quick return mechanism, where the forward stroke, cutting stroke, is slower, while the return stroke is faster to increase efficiency. Key features. Works on vertical reciprocating motion. Used for internal machining that is difficult with other tools. Provides high precision and accuracy in slot cutting. Major part of a slaughter machine. Base, the foundation of the machine, supporting all components, provides stability. Column, a vertical structure mounted on the base, houses the ram, tool head, and drive mechanisms. Ram, slider or tool head, moves vertically in a reciprocating motion, holds the cutting tool and performs the cutting action. Table, holds the workpiece securely during machining. Saddle and cross slide. The saddle supports the table, allowing vertical movement. The cross slide enables lateral movement for accurate cutting. Feed mechanism, controls the workpiece movement for precise cutting, can be manual or automatic. Quick return mechanism, uses crank and slotted lever mechanism, CSLM, for reciprocating motion, ensures slow cutting stroke and fast return stroke. Working principle of slaughter machine. Setup, the workpiece is clamped onto the table. Tool movement, the ram, slider, moves vertically up and down, with the cutting tool attached. Cutting stroke, during the downward stroke, the tool removes material from the workpiece. Return stroke, the upward stroke is idle, non-cutting, and occurs faster due to the quick return mechanism. Workpiece movement, the table is adjusted manually or automatically for continuous cutting. Operations performed on slaughter machine. Machining internal and external surfaces. Used for shaping internal or external surfaces of workpieces by reciprocating movement of the cutting tool. Cutting slots and keyways. Slots, grooves, and keyways are cut in gears, pulleys, and shafts. Machining contours and irregular surfaces. Produces complex shapes and contours, including irregular profiles. Internal and external gear cutting. Slaughter machines are used to cut internal and external gear teeth. Machining concave and convex surfaces. The slaughter machine can shape concave and convex surfaces as per design requirements. Cutting square and rectangular holes. Used for making square or rectangular holes, which is difficult with other machining tools. Die and tool making. Slaughter machines are widely used in die-making industries for precise shaping. Applications of slaughter machine. Manufacturing of keyways and splines, used in making keyways, splines, and internal grooves in shafts and gears. Internal and external gear cutting, essential for cutting gear teeth, especially internal gears. Automobile and aerospace industry, used in machining components like engine parts and transmission systems. Tool and die making, helps in shaping dies, molds, and specialized tools. Square and rectangular holes, suitable for making precise square or rectangular cutouts. Heavy machinery manufacturing, applied in the production of large machine parts requiring precision. Now we will discuss regarding planer machine. A planer machine is a reciprocating machine tool used for machining large and heavy workpieces. It is similar to a shaper machine, but in a planer, the workpiece moves while the cutting tool remains stationary. It is mainly used for machining flat surfaces, slots, and grooves on heavy-duty parts. Construction of planer machine. Bed. Bed is a rigid part of the machine on which all the parts are carried. This is very large in size and heavyweight. Column/housing. The housings is called columns, and it is also called uprights and are rigid box-like vertical structures placed on each side of the bed and fastened to it. Here pulley and gear are also attached. Table. It supports the work and reciprocates along with the ways of the bed. The table is made up of cast iron. Here the table upper surface parts are very fine and accurate because here we fix the workpiece for the planer operation. Cross rail. In cross rail, tool holders are attached where we can fix the tool for operation. It connects between two housing and also provides supports to the housing. Tool head. Here the tools, single point cutting tool, are fixed. Working principle of planer machine. In planer machine, the tool head is in a stationary position and the workpiece is movable. In the tool head section, the single point cutting tool is fixed and at the work table, workpiece is fixed. Then power is supplied, the worktable moves forward, and with the help of the cutting tool, it cut the material and again it returns back. That is called return stroke. Until or unless it is changed, the rotation will go forward and backward stroke. Applications of planer machine. Shipbuilding industry, machining large engine parts. Railway industry, planing rail tracks and locomotive components. Automotive industry, machining heavy-duty components. Steel industry, cutting large castings and forgings. Aerospace industry, machining aircraft structural components. Types of planer machines. Double housing planer, standard planer. Most common type. Has two vertical columns supporting a crossrail and tool heads. Used for machining large workpieces. Open side planer. Has a single vertical column on one side. Suitable for wide workpieces that do not fit in a double housing planer. Allows machining of one large surface at a time. Pit planer. The workpiece remains stationary and the tool moves over it. Used for very large and heavy components like turbine parts. Divided table planer. Has two independent moving tables for simultaneous machining. Increases productivity. Here the comparison among shaper machine, slaughter machine, and planer machine. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.